Good morning, everybody. Another one of examples of our custom crate engine. Just happens to be a 440 Chrysler big block. What we've done differently on this one is that we did a multi-port fuel injection. Kid can come in here and show you. Individually ported fuel injection. All been set up, tuned in really nice. It's got the Holley Terminator X brain on it. We got a MSD Proformance basically distributor in this thing. Been dialed in, it makes 540 horsepower, low RPM, 560 foot-pounds of torque. Awesome engine. The parts of this motor is phenomenal. All forged crankshaft, H-beam rod, got a forged piston in here, a nice comp cam in this thing. We got the rocker shafts mounted on this thing, probably about $800 just for the rocker shafts on this thing. We build a phenomenal product here. If there's anything we can help you with, you give us a call. We'll custom design something for you. 1-800-267-3940. And one of my famous sayings, the proof is in the performance. Thank you. All right, Iggy. We got this Chrysler 440 EFI engine here on the dyno. It runs absolutely spectacular. We're going to fire it up and do a dyno run. We got a high pressure pump in this also, and spectacular oil pressure. Doesn't go past 85 at cold, but man, it just stays right there because we're running a mechanical roller camshaft in this, and it's a beautiful motor.